afternoon, brother.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fantastic. And what about you?
I'm also fine. So, brother, we are meeting first time. So, can you introduce yourself? I'm willing to know about you. For a long time, you have been trying to call me. So now today you could call me. I gave you opportunity to speak with me. So, can you introduce yourself first of all?
Thank you very much as you have given me an opportunity to introduce myself. First of all, I would like to tell you that my name is Muwaj bin Masood and basically I am from Dinajpur district, Bangladesh and I study in same class. We are two siblings. I have one sister and my father is a college teacher. Also, my mother is a primary school teacher. I think that's it for me.
Yes. So,
So
bro,
please introduce yourself.
yes. Now I'm gonna introduce myself because it is my turn to introduce myself. So my name is Jadu Kiskum. I am from Jharkhand East State. You know my district name is Sahibganj district of Jharkhand East State. If I talk about my education, I studied in 8th class. There are 5 members in my family. If I talk about my hobbies, I like to play football, cricket, and learn something from social media also.
Okay, so please share your English journey. That how have you learned this language?
Definitely, bro. Definitely, many people want to know about the journey of learning this language. You know, which is my journey and how hard I learned this language. So definitely, I will tell you. So I gonna start. Okay. So since then I started my journey of learning this language when I was studying in 7th class in my school where I was studying in 7th class. Since then I started my journey of learning this language. See, because I was motivated by one teacher to learn this language. Since then I started speaking English language with people. And before also that time, bro, I was thinking to learn this language. Actually, I was not getting any idea to learn. When I had got admission in KG class in my school, since then I wanted to learn, but I had not English language. So when I got the admission in 7th class in my school, then I came to know about English. Then I started to learn this. Then I started learning, and then I could learn this language because of one teacher who was from Tamil Nadu. He motivated me.
So
Yes.
I got so much inspiration from you. I have seen that a lot of people are making conversation like this with you.
Yes. A lot of people are eager to know, and eager to know about me, and eager to venting with me, eager to meeting me also. And many people want to talk with me also. And like you, as you are talking with me this time, right? Yes, your journey of starting YouTube channel and learning English language. I think you are also running YouTube channel. So can you tell me how did you learn English language? What types of mistake have you faced when you were learning English language? So please share something.
Okay, thanks. First of all, I would like to tell you that I have started my English journey at May month 2023, and it was a great journey. I have learned a lot of things about English. First of all, my tutor came my home to teach me. I think through this private, I have learned English. Then I start making video. Then I created a Facebook page and then I go to the YouTube channel and like this way I'm learning English and nowadays I'm trying to make conversation someone else, and by going to make this type of conversation I'm improving myself day by day. I think it will be so, it is very helpful for me.
Yes,
What's the
yes.
wrong?
So today we shall discuss about the topic of English only. Okay.
Okay.
Many people want to know about English language. Many people want to learn English language because they are not getting any idea. As I was before 1 year, you can consider I was also not getting any idea. So like that, people are also having problems. So we shall discuss about the problem of not able to learn English language. So first of all, my questions for you that so how can we learn English language? What all should we learn to this language? How can we learn English language? Please tell something for English learners.
Okay, thanks. So first of all, I will tell you that there are two types of way that we can use to learn English. One is grammatical function and one is spoken English. If you first, you as a beginner, if you go to the grammatical function, it will be so difficult for you. So I will highly suggest you that you first of all you should go spoken English. Just you have to practice more and more, or and then you can go to the grammatical function. First of all, you can go to the grammatical function, but it will be more difficult. But without grammar, or if you go to the grammar, your sentence must be correct. But if you go to the spoken in English, then if you made any mistake, it is not or actually fault in spoken English. I think it. So I have told you enough things. So please give me some suggestions so that I can improve my spoken English more and more.
Yes, yes. By the way, bro, I came to know about you that you are speaking very great all the time. So I'm gonna tell you, and just you have to improve your English language more than enough. Okay. So just you to practice your English language, bro. Every day you should practice English language just through Skype application. You can practice and you can find out your friend for talking with whom you want to talk. Definitely you can find friend for yourself, and then you can talk with them for improving your English language. Other just and you should practice every day like and you should also think in English language. You should read English more and more. Yes, and you should think. Thinking is very important for us. That if you will think in which language you will start thinking, definitely you will learn that language. So when any child will bear that time, and he will start thinking in his mother tongue. Therefore, the child is learning English language. Whatever the child want to learn, that he can learn easily like this. And if you want to learn English language, so you should also get into the habit of thinking only in English. Definitely, you will learn English language. Yes, yes.
Okay, that's really great. I have got much inspiration, and I'm so happy that you are learning English. Are you from village?
Yes, I belongs to village. You can consider, I'm living in the village area and in the forest area also. Because where I'm living, there are the forest. You can consider different kinds of animals are living here. They even coming to us all the time. We are having to hear from animals. Yes,
Okay, how many members are there in your family?
there are five members in my family.
Who are they?
Yes, yes. My parents, father and mother, my sister, and my younger brother and younger sister, and myself.
Who is
Yes,
elder?
yes, yes. I'm elder. I'm elder.
Okay, which class does your siblings study?
My younger brother studies in 3 class, and my younger sister studies in 7 class, and I study in 8 class.
Oh, so you study in class 8, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Of course, of course.
So, what's the natural beauty of your village?
Yes, their nature beauty is very good. You can consider here where I am here. There are a lot of field. You can consider. Do you know P? P. Do you know P?
Okay, do you have any YouTube channel?
Yes, I have YouTube channel. I'm also running your YouTube channel, and I have around 25K subscriber on YouTube. Okay.
When when have you started your YouTube?
I've started YouTube channel before for a month, and before also that time, I had opened a lot of YouTube channel, but I couldn't get success on that YouTube channel. And now I have still one YouTube channel beside this one YouTube channel, which is of English, like Hindi English Fact Official. But I stopped working on that YouTube channel because of people are not watching my video and not subscribing my channel. Therefore, I started working on this one YouTube channel, which is English with Jadu. I think which is currently going on YouTube and getting viral. More and more people are knowing me.
Can you tell me how can I actually learn English?
Yes, definitely. Actually, you can learn English language by talking to people the most. And if you will not talk to people, you can't learn English language. Some people think that I will not talk to people, but I am not getting any person with whom I will talk. But I will only practice my English language myself. It doesn't matter, problem. But you should talk to people also. But this time you don't have to find difficult to talk to people also, because this time you can take resort of the which is application Skype. Through Skype application, you can talk with different kind of people in free only, but you don't have to pay money also. But in other application, I think so far as in the application I know, in that application you will have to pay for money. And if you will give money, then you can talk with other person. Otherwise, not until when you will not give money, but you can't talk. And if you will use their application, you create your account also, and then you should talk to people. And really, you can talk with people.
Okay, please tell me once again which state are you from?
I'm from Jharkhand state of India.
Okay, can you tell me something about your country, India?
Yes, yes, yes. Which is my country, India. there are different kind of people living. You can consider, like in my Jharkhand state, there are like Santhal and a lot of Khetorim. Different religions of people are living here in my Jharkhand state. Yes,
Okay,
and
that's really
there are a lot of forests, different kind of forest. Some forests are the highest you can consider, where you will have to find difficult to climb on top of the forest. And here you can find very good everything, and you can find like very good beauty of Jharkhand. And there are different kind of animals are living, and there are a lot of garden also you can consider. And which is my district name Sahibganj. There are one waterfall which is very popular in all world. From every corner of the world, people are coming here to worship and only for taking their bath. So I'm also one of them. Every day I keep on going there. You can consider.
so. I told you that what's the aim in your life?
Oh, irada. Yes, I know. It's mean that I didn't decide, bro. What do I want to become in my life?
If you have any question about me,
I have one question for you. I'm gonna ask you. Okay, you should tell. You should tell to those people who want to learn English language. So how can they practice English language? How can they become learn English language? So please tell them about the way of practicing and becoming fluent. How can they practice the English language for becoming fluent?
okay, so to be a successful person in English, they must have to be practice. They must have to practice every single day. Practice more and more. Or this is the secret tips. And I think talking to a stranger like us by this way we can improve. They can improve their in spoken English skills. It's also they can watch English videos also on YouTube as they can try. It is their fault or their responsibility that how will they actually learn it. But we can say them that you should watch English cartoons, English video, English movie as you try. You have to try your best to learn this English. You have to struggle very much. You can and actually study to a tutor. You can go. You can do English course, or so also you can go to coaching center, private, and so much more. There are so many ways and tips and tricks that you can follow to learn this language.
Yes, that's good. That's good for providing them to way of practicing and becoming fluent. I also thinking like this. Like by talking to people, we can improve our English language. Definitely, bro. Like I also could learn this language due to practice my English language more before also time. I practice my English language many more. You can consider by finding topic like a story topic. I will find a story like thirsty crore topic. I think you watch like that story on YouTube. Okay, right? You watch. Yes, yes.
So where are you working?
Yes, yes. Here in outside, I'm walking here, bro. Already I changed my way of making video in outside of my home. It is my style of making video because being I am students of my village. I am boy of one villagers. You can always I don't like to make video inside the home, but already I decided to make video in outside of my home so that people can get excited by watching my videos. And therefore, I thought that why not I will make video in outside of my home so that people can see the beauty of my village.
Is there any pond beside you?
Yes, there is font.
What is this on your hand?
Speaker.
Okay, I
Bluetooth.
got it.
I held Bluetooth speaker. Yes, on my hand.
Okay, that's great. And so, do you make video alone?
Yes, I make video alone. Sometime along with also people I make video. But today, there are no people. There are no one with me. Therefore, I having to make video alone with you. Otherwise, sometime with my friend also he keep on coming along with me today. But it is due to it is at night. You can consider during evening time. So therefore, he didn't come here. But I am alone here to talk. And then when it will be like afternoon time around, so that time he will come here to help to make video with anyone with whom I want to make. But before a while, my friend was, but this time it's not with me here. Yes.
Okay, so give me some suggestions so that I can improve my YouTube channel.
Yes, many people want to ask and many people want about YouTube channel that their YouTube channel also will get viral on YouTube, but they don't have idea how should their YouTube channel be viral on YouTube. So today I'm gonna tell you, okay. that just you have upload good video on YouTube and you should talk to people. And this, and you know which titles very popular and which you can found from YouTube silver, and just you have to search on YouTube search box that you know which title will suggest you in first number that you should pick out from there, and then you should put on your video, and then you can upload it, and then you should upload your video easily. You can, you know, you can get viral and your video will also get viral. Yes, yes. And you know you should find, you know, which is title for putting on your video, just you can find from Chrome browser. Do you know Chrome browser?
Yes, I know.
Yes, yes. From Chrome browser, you can find out the, just you have to search, you know, English letter text. Then you can find out from that application, and then easily you can put on your video which you gonna upload on YouTube channel, and then you can talk with people also easily and like this. And you should make, you know, attractive thumbnails for your video for putting on your video by going by visiting your YT studios. You can custom. Just you should make attractive thumbnail for people, so that people, as soon as people look at your thumbnail on YouTube, people will click on your video suddenly, like this you
Yes,
want.
I got
Okay,
it, brother.
yes,
So I think I have to go to prayer. I think we make this conversation so long. So let's talk on another day.
yes, definitely bro, definitely we shall make another day like this video. Okay, when you want again, so you can call me. If you want again to talk with me, so definitely you can call me. Okay, thank you.
Okay, definitely I will send you message, and thanks for giving me your valuable time.
Listen to me bro, you send me your YouTube channel link. I will mention, I think tomorrow while uploading video, people will support you also.
Okay,
Yes, so you should
goodbye.
send me YouTube channel. Okay, yes.
Okay, goodbye.